The world has shifted. While most creators are struggling to write prompts, the Digital Orchestrator is building invisible empires. You don't need a team of 50 people. You need a system that doesn't sleep. Today, I am revealing the architecture of the autonomous content machine. To dominate the 2026 market, you need a digital hive mind. ChatGPT and Claude for the intellect. Midjourney and Runway for the vision. And Make.com as the central nervous system connecting everything. No friction. No human error. Just pure, algorithmic execution. Scale is the only thing that separates a hobby from a business. While a human editor spends hours on a single video, our machine processes thousands of assets simultaneously. Shorts, Reels, TikToks. Every frame is designed to capture attention and convert it into dollars. At this level, you stop looking at views. You start looking at ROI. Global traffic converted into revenue in real time. The machine doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for a raise. It simply follows the code you wrote. The goal was never the work. The goal was always the freedom. Build the machine. Orchestrate your own reality. The blueprint is available in the link below. Will you build it or will you just watch?